Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a custom 404 page using Blocksy's content blocks. Before we get started, let's take a look at why we might want to have a custom 404 page. So if we went to an invalid URL on our domain, you can see that it brings up this message. Oops, that page can't be found. It looks like nothing was found at this location. Maybe try to search for something else. Okay. Other sites might just have 404 or there's just a blank page. But if you wanted to put something else here, let's figure out how to do that using Blocksy. Okay, so let's head over to our dashboard, and on our left sidebar here, hover over Blocksy and click on Content Blocks. Now, the other day we made a simple hook here, so let's just click on Add New, and we have Custom Template here, and click on 404 page template. Now let's name it Custom 404 page. Okay, and click on Create Content Block. Okay, so now we're in the block editor, and we can add anything you want. So let's go ahead and populate this blank 404 page. So let's get started and insert some containers here. We'll use some columns, and we have 3 here. And the first one we can put in a heading, 404 page. And we can add in our block here. We can change, actually no, for the container itself, we can probably add some color with our background here, and we can change the color to probably this one, and then we can add in a button. And we can insert the link over here, and that should be good. Oops. We'll just copy this one here, insert that, and that's going to be our link. And then we can change up the layout by adding some padding there. Okay, and for the style, we can probably put an icon, home. Yeah, this one. And for the background, we can probably enable it and then choose a bit darker one here. And again, you can add any content you want, so we'll put in a quote here just to spice things up, and we can change the icon. Okay, now we can click on Update, and that should save. And if we went to our home page again and inserted some gibberish, there we have our custom 404 page. Now, what if we didn't want to use this, or we had a different one in mind? We can go back over to our dashboard, and in our content blocks area, over here on the right side, you can see custom 404 page. We can click on enable, disable. Okay, now that's disabled. If we were to refresh this page, we'd have the default one. And if we clicked on enable here on the toggle button and we refreshed our gibberish page, we get our custom 404 page back. So there's how you make a custom 404 page in Blocksy using Blocksy's custom content blocks editor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.